JKR അക്കാഡമിയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. ആദ്യം തന്നെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിലോ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല എങ്കിലോ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനിൽ ലഭ്യമാവുകയുള്ളൂ. ഡിവിഷണൽ അക്കൗണ്ടന്റിന്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ PSC പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കഷൻ നടത്താം ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ കട്ട് ഓഫ് മാർക്ക് എങ്ങനെയാണ് വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്, എത്ര മാർക്ക് കിട്ടിയാൽ നമുക്ക് മെയിൻ എക്സാമിന് എഴുതാൻ സാധിക്കും എന്നതിനെ കുറിച്ചൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് വിശദമായിട്ട് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ചർച്ച ചെയ്യാം. നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. The last Lodi dynasty ruler of Delhi Sultanate ഇബ്രാഹിം ലോധിയാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. സ്റ്റാമ്പ് ആക്ട് ആൻഡ് ടൗൺഷെൻഡ് ആക്ട് വെയർ related to which of the following? American War of Independence. Which of the following climate type is common to southern California, central Chile and southern tip of America? Mediterranean climate. അടുത്ത question. Below are the horizons of a mature soil profile. Arrange them in the proper sequence from the surface of two bed. Option A ആണ് correct answer. Option A. അടുത്ത question. Among the following which is the correct answer in national income estimation? Option A ആണ് correct answer. NNP at market price minus net indirect tax is equal to NNP at factor cost. അടുത്ത question. Among the following which was the central objective of the 12th 5-year plan? Faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth. അടുത്ത question. Who served as the chief guest at the Republic Day celebrations in India in 2025? Prabhavo Subindo. അടുത്ത question. Consider the following statements regarding the advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India. Option A ആണ് correct answer. 1, 2 and 3. അടുത്ത question. Consider the following statement related to declaration of national emergency in India. All of the above are correct. Option D ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Who is known as the father of all India service? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. അടുത്ത question. The following are the titles of four famous novels written by M.T. Vasudevan Nair with the names of the central character noted against each. Identify the wrongly paid one among these. നാലുകെട്ട് കുഞ്ചുണ്ണി അടുത്താണ് തെറ്റായിട്ടുള്ളത്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഗുകേഷ് ദോംരാജു became the FID World Chess Champion in 2024 by defeating which of the following players? Ding Lin. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which of the following statement about operating system functions is not correct? The primary function of an operating system is to translate high level programming code into machine code. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following is not an example of a search engine? Mozilla Firefox. Which of the following satellite is launched by ISRO to support a television broadcasting and weather forecasting service? GSAT-24. Identify the singular noun in the below sentence. Child. Choose the correct plural form of the word goose. Geese. Which of the following is an auxiliary verb? Will. Identify the past perfect tense in the sentence. He had already left when I arrived. Which sentence correctly uses a possessive pronoun? Both the A and C. Find the correctly spelled word. Accommodate. Identify the countable noun from the list. Chair. Choose the correct form of the reporter speech. He said that he was reading a book. അടുത്ത question. Select the correct sentence in active voice. The teacher explains the lesson. അടുത്ത question. Choose the correct phrasal verb to complete the sentence. The firemen were able to put out. Option B ആണ് correct answer. Which sentence contains an objective? The tall building is visible from here. അടുത്ത question. Identify the irregular verb from the options. By. Choose the correct sentence using a preposition. I am interested in learning French. അടുത്ത question. Identify the sentence with a correctly used idiom. She hit the roof when she heard the news. Choose the correctly jumbled sentence. In the park I always walk in the evening. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following statements are true about a journal? Option A ആണ് correct answer. Only one. Distribution of goods as samples is recorded in the books of accounts by. Option B ആണ് correct answer. Only 2. Which among the following is are not a objective of trial balance? Option D ആണ് correct answer. Only 1 and 3. അടുത്ത question. Which among the following is the correct statement as regarded a trading account and a profit and loss account? Option B ആണ് correct answer. Trading account has deals with direct expenses and revenue, and the profit and loss account deals with the indirect expenses. അടുത്ത question. The stock of uninsured goods destroyed by fire is credited to trading account and debited to profit and loss account. Option D ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. The prepaid insurance at the beginning of an accounting year will be adjusted in the books by debiting insurance account and crediting prepaid insurance account. അടുത്ത question. Which among the following is not a cause of depreciation? Market trend. Choose the correct statement from the following. Provisions are charged against profit generally created for meeting a specific liability in future. Which of the following statement about secret reserves is correct? Secret reserves are considered unethical as they conceal the true financial position of a company. Choose the most appropriate statement from the following. Endorsement is the process of signing on the back of a negotiable instrument for negotiation. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of a bill of exchange? It contains an unconditional promise. An additional piece of paper attached to a negotiable instrument to provide space for endorsement when the original document has insufficient space is allowing. The expense associated with the procuring the and utilizing fuel to power a vessel's engines during maritime operation is bunker cost. Choose the correct statements connected to voyage accounts from the following. Option D ആണ് correct answer. Only 1 and 3. If a voyage is incomplete at the end of the accounting year, how should the freight related to incomplete voyage be treated? Option B ആണ് correct answer. Debited to voyage account and credited to voyage in progress account. In a self-balancing ledger system, the total of the purchase ledger adjustment account should match with the total of which ledger? Purchase ledger. Why are self-balancing ledgers useful in large organization? They make it easier to detect errors and fraud. Statement 1, statement 2. ഏതാണ് correct answer? Both statement are correct. Match transaction with accounting treatment. Option B ആണ് correct answer. 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, A. Statement 1, statement 2. Statement both statement are false. Which statement is true about the receipts and payment account and income and expenditure account? Option C ആണ് correct answer. Receipts and payments account records cash transaction while income and expenditure account records accrual transactions. The formula for calculating cost of production is factory cost plus office and administration overheads. If the selling price per unit is 200 and the total cost per unit is 160, then what is the profit percentage of corn cost? 25%. Which of the following statement is correct? Factory cost is also known as cost of goods manufactured. If a worker under the Rowan plan serves 4 hours on a job which was allowed 10 hours and the hourly wage rate is 60, then what will be the worker's total earnings? 720. Total factory overheads are 1,20,000 if direct wages are 80,000 and factory overheads are absorbed based on a percentage of direct wages. Then what is the overhead absorption rate? 100%. A contract has a total cost of 7,50,000 and the total contract price is 10 lakh. The contractor receives 75% of work certified which is 7,50,000. What is the retention money? 1,85,500. Which financial statement in the double accounting system provides details of the fixed assets and how they were financed? Capital account. Which of the following is not a limitation of the double account system? It does not provide separate treat to capital and revenue items. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following is not a limitation of the double account system? It allows easy comparison of financial performance. What is the least number of which when divided by 8, 9, 12, 15 leaves remainder as 1 in each case? 361. Find the sum of the factors 3240, 10,890. അടുത്ത question. The graph of a polynomial intersects the y-axis at one point and the x-axis at 2 points. The number of zeros of the polynomial are 2. If the sum of zeros is quadratic polynomial 3x square minus kx plus 6 is 3, then the value of k is 9. Another question. If theta and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, then the equation whose roots are ഏതാണ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആണ്. എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 3x പ്ലസ് 1 ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 0. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ദ നാച്ചർ ഓഫ് ദ റൂട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ക്വാഡ്രാറ്റിക് ഇക്വേഷൻ x പ്ലസ് 12 x പ്ലസ് 6 ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 4 സ്ക്വയർ. സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ദ ഫോളോയിങ്. ബോത്ത് റൂട്ട്സ് ആർ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആൻഡ് റാഷണൽ. When the equation is multiplied or divided by same non-zero number on both sides, the solution of the equation remains the same. അടുത്ത question. The cost of 2 tables and 4 chairs is Rs 16,000. Will the cost of 1 table is equal to the cost of 6 chairs? Find the cost of 9 chairs, 9,000. 2 into 3 into 7 is the prime factorization of particular number. Which of among the following is the square root of number 1764? What should be come in the place of question mark 90 by question mark? Root 64 by 729, 60. Sn denotes the sum of first n terms of an AP if S40 of 1030 and S12 of 57 and S30 minus S10 is equal to 515. The sum of first 3 terms of an AP is 30 and the sum of the last 3 terms is 36. If the first term is 9, then the number of terms is 5. Next question. A trader mixes 26 kg of rice at Rs 20 per kg with 30 kg of rice of other variety at Rs 36 per kg and sells the mixture of Rs 30 per kg. His profit percentage is 5%. The percentage profit earned by selling an article for Rs 1920 is equal to the percentage of loss incurred by selling the same article for 1280. At what price should be article be sold to make 25% profit? 2000. U is to V is equal to 4 is to 7 and V is to W is equal to 9 is to 7. If U is equal to 7 to 2, then what is the value of W? 98. The ratio of Rahul's and Ramya's percent 9 is to 10. After 4 years, the ratio of their ages become 11 is to 12. What is Rahul's percent age? 18 years. Two numbers are less than a third number by 30% and 37% respectively. How much percent in second number less than the first? 10%. A number is first decreased by 20% and then increased by 15%. The number so obtained is 64, less than the original number. The original number is 800. Other question. The difference of compound interest and simple interest on a principal amount of for 2 years is at 4% per annum is Rs 20. The principal is 12,500. Other question. A man borrowed some money and agreed to pay off by paying Rs 3,150 at the end of first year and 4,410 at the end of second year. Is the rate of compound interest 5% per annum? Then the amount borrowed is 7,000. Other question. An is the set of first prime numbers, then the number elements in Un is equal to 2. An is D, 5. Other question. If A is equal to xy x square plus y square less than equal to 1 xy r and b xy x square plus xy less than equal to 4 xy is equal to r, then option A and correct answer A minus B is equal to the mean of the first and odd natural number is n square by 125. The value of n is 125. The arithmetic mean of 12 observations is 20. If two observations 15 and 25 are removed, then the arithmetic means the remaining observation is a 20. If the centroid of a triangle vertex 1x 2y and x plus y 2 lies on a x-axis, then x plus y is equal to minus 2. Bisectors of the angle between the lines x, y is are y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Two hills are same height. The distance between the top of these hills are root 675 meter. A tower of height 15 meter is situated on the top of one of these hills. Then the angle of elevation from the top of other hill at the top of the tower is 60 degree. The minimum and maximum value 6 in sin x, cos x plus 4, cos 2x are respectively minus 5 or 5. Which of the following is true? Option D and correct answer. A quadrilateral will be a parallelogram in the two diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Other question. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Ratio of the areas of triangle ABC to BD is 4:1. Other question. The least number of square tiles required to pave the floor of the room by 15 meter, 17 centimeter long and 9 meter 2 centimeter broad is 814. The volume of two spheres are in the ratio 64:27. If the sum of their radii is 7, then the difference of their surface area is 88 square centimeter. A red light flashes 3 times per minute and a green light flashes 5 times in 2 minutes at regular intervals. If both lights start flashing at the same time, then how many times do they flash together within half of an hour? 15. A man makes a trip by automobile at an average speed of 60 km per hour. He returns over the same route at an average speed of 48 km per hour. His average speed for the entire trip is 53 1/3. The difference between simple interest and compound interest of Rs 1200 for 1 year at 10%. Per annum reckoned half yearly is 3 year. 3. If selling price is doubled, the profit triples. Then the profit percentage is 100%. Two equal circles in the same plane cannot have the following number of common tangents. 1. The radius of the first circle is 1 centimeter. That of the second is 1/2 centimeter. That of the third is 1/4 centimeter, and so on indefinitely. The sum of the areas of the circle is 4π/3. The sides of a triangle are A plus D and A plus 2D with A and D are positive. The ratio of A to D is 3:1. The sides of a rectangle are not a square or whole numbers. What must be their length such that perimeter of the rectangle is numerically equal to the area? 6:3. അപ്പോൾ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ കട്ട് ഓഫ് മാർക്ക് വന്നപ്പോൾ 65.71 ആണ്. പക്ഷേ ഇപ്രാവശ്യത്തെ പരീക്ഷ വളരെ പ്രയാസമായിരുന്നു. ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികളെല്ലാം തന്നെ ധാരാളം ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾ എന്നെ വിളിച്ചു. പരീക്ഷ വളരെ പ്രയാസമായിരുന്നു, കണക്കിൻ്റെ ചോദ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ തന്നെ വളരെ പ്രയാസമായിരുന്നു, ചെയ്യാൻ വളരെ പ്രയാസപ്പെട്ടു എന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ കട്ട് ഓഫ് മാർക്ക് കുറഞ്ഞു വരാനാണ്, ഇതിനേക്കാളൊക്കെ കുറഞ്ഞു വരാനാണ് സാധ്യത. എങ്കിലും പ്രീവിയസ് കട്ട് ഓഫ് മാർക്കാണ് ഞാനിവിടെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇത്രയും കട്ട് ഓഫ് മാർക്ക് വരാനുള്ള സാധ്യത വളരെ കുറവാണ്. ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്കെല്ലാം തന്നെ പൊതുവെ മാർക്ക് കുറവാണ്, അവർക്കെല്ലാം തന്നെ പരീക്ഷ വളരെ പ്രയാസമായിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ കട്ട് ഓഫ് മാർക്ക് കുറയുമെന്നുള്ളതാണ് പ്രതീക്ഷ. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു നിർത്തട്ടെ. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.